So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial with a very easy, simple, soft glam eye makeup look. So I hope you guys like this look and want to create this look. I hope this video will help you. So if you guys interested, just keep watching. So the first thing I want to do is to do my eyebrow. Jadi yang pertama aku lakukan biasanya pakai alis gitu. So I'm using this etude house drawing eyebrow. So yeah, first I brush my brow, and then aku garis gitu di bawahnya, and then di atasnya juga aku bentuk sedikit, baru aku isi di bagian dalamnya supaya kelihatan tebal. So 2 eyebrows done, and that's how I do my eyebrow. Oke, biasanya aku pakai foundation setelah semua eye makeup aku finish, tapi hari ini aku harus cepat-cepat pakai eye foundationnya supaya kalian tidak terganggu dengan jerawat aku yang banyak ini. It's very distracting, so I have to put on foundation first so you guys it's not distracted by my pimple because I have so many. You guys see this? Okay, let's just move on. I mix these two foundation, L'Oreal Infallible and what is this, Maybelline Dewy Look. This is a little bit darker and this is a little bit too light for me. Ini agak terlalu terang, ini agak terlalu gelap buat aku, jadi aku mix ini, so it's a perfect match for my color, for my face. First I open the L'Oreal Infallible, I put it on my hand like that, and then the Maybelline Dewy Finish Look, the darker one. Oh my god, it's almost empty. Oh, come on. Okay, just a little bit because this is too dark for me. So, and I use a beauty sponge and then tap 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 and then mix them together. Mix dulu, dicampur dulu supaya rata warnanya, and then put on my face. Put on your face. I actually need a mirror right now. Okay, I finished with my foundation. Aku cuma taruh sedikit, nggak tebal-tebal gitu. Aku hanya taruh lebih ke bagian beberapa bagian yang butuh coverage, like my pimple, like my redness or my freckles. So yeah, waktunya buat eyeshadow. Okay, so buat eye makeupnya, buat aku ini very simple but still look glamorous for a day. Aku cuma pakai 3 warna, yaitu warna coklat terang ini sama coklat gelap, terus warna champagne ini yang ada shimmernya, and this one yang ada glitternya, di mix. Jadi aku tarik warna brownnya itu sampai ke dalam sini, sampai ke tulang hidung aku, supaya kelihatan aku punya tulang di sini dan kelihatan mata aku lebih besar, seolah-olah aku punya kelopak mata. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do my makeup. Sudah blend dengan baik, kalian bisa move on di mata sebelahnya. Just do it like this. You guys can see the difference. It's like I have eyelid right now. Seolah-olah kelopak mata aku sampai sini. You guys see? It's really changing my eye shape. Okay, setelah blending all my light brown into my crease, aku sekarang bakal pakai ini dark brownnya untuk di luar aja, bagian luar aja sampai sini, kayak hampir setengah gitu sih. Terus kalian bisa blend agak ke dalam sedikit, which is you have to be careful because it's very dark. Just a tiny bit, just a little bit, something like that, and then tap tap tap, yeah, something like that, just a little bit, and then you drag it, and then kalian tarik ke bawah, drag it down, and then blend it. Oke, setelah aku pakai dark brownnya, aku ambil lagi sedikit light brownnya ini, which one, this one, and then pakai brush yang bersih, aku blend semuanya sampai there's no harsh line at all, so it all looks natural and simple. So the next thing I want to do is put all this champagne color glitter eyeshadow on my eyelid with this flat brush. We need to spray some setting spray so the eyeshadow will look more intense, lebih warnanya lebih kentara, warnanya lebih mantul gitu. What? You mix this one and this one together, mix this together. So we put it on our eyelid. So aku buat kayak cut crease gitu on my eyelid, tapi nggak terlalu, it's not like too dramatic cut crease, because sebentar lagi aku bakal blend bagian atasnya lagi supaya semuanya menyatu. And after it's done, you move on to another eyes, like that. Okay, so usually I just leave it like this, my eyeshadow, but today I want to put some glitter, just a little bit, something like this. Ya, warnanya kayak gini, it's like gold champagne, I don't know, it's very intense. Oh my god, do you guys see that glitter? It's very intense, so sangat-sangat metallic banget. Dan tema hari ini semuanya serba silver. Pakaian aku, outfit aku, my shoes, my bag, semuanya silver. Jadi I want my eyeshadow to be silver too. So kalau aku mau a little bit more subtle, aku tap-tap gini gitu, and then you get the silver glitter. You guys can see, langsung jadi lebih subtle, lebih what is it called, lebih simple, nggak terlalu wow kayak yang ini, terlalu metallic. I just wanna put that on my hand a little bit, and then tap 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 and put it on my eyes. Blend it together into the eyeshadow that we just put earlier. So yeah, just, you guys see that glitter? Wow, this has so much life into it. After the glitter is done, after the eye makeup done, we have to put something like this. I put glitter on my eyelid. I put this on my brow bone, just a little bit glitter. Okay, I think it's done. It's time to put on eyelashes. So here's the eyelashes that I use for my eyes. It's very simple, very natural, dari Bling Charm. It's very natural and very good. I actually just use this like 5 times. Aku sudah pakai ini 5 kali dan masih bagus. Tapi yang buat interesting cara aku pakai bulu mata itu, aku potong-potong gitu satu persatu, and then put this one by one, so it's kinda shape my eyes like this. I don't know what it's called. Dan lem mata yang aku pakai, lem bulu mata yang aku pakai yang ini. Ini aku ambil dulu yang paling ujungnya, yang paling panjang, and then I will put this di paling ujung juga karena ini yang paling panjang, jadi di paling ujung. Like this. I don't know how to do this on camera. I hope it works. Yeah, something like that. See, it's so easy if you put just one by one. Yeah, I think it's easy for me, at least for me. So I will do the rest and I will be right back. Oh my god, look how eyelashes can make such a difference for your makeup. See, it's so glamorous. My eyelashes is done. It's very natural for me because I have really tiny, teeny eyes. So yeah, I love it. So the last thing for the eye makeup, we just want to put this again, champagne color, into this our and let's move on into the concealer. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's very cheap. Ini murah banget dan bagus banget. The concealer is done and blended. I want to use this Pro Concealer for my cheekbone. Just some. And like this, put your powder under your eyes where you put your concealer. Just leave it like 3 minutes or 2 minutes until it all set together. Oke, jadi yang di bawah mata aku cuma campur warna brown terangnya dan yang gelapnya gitu, just to niruin apa yang kita sudah lakuin di bagian atas mata on our crease, like that. So right here, just blend. Okay, and then I will put mascara. I use this Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Okay, after put on a mascara and eyeshadow on my under eye, you can wipe all the excess powder that we just put slowly. Okay, it's time to put on bronzer. I use this e.l.f. bronzer. I put this shade together and mix them together. And make this ugly face. And then I will put blush on my cheek. This is by Milani. This is the highlighter that I'm using, Wet n Wild and e.l.f. I mix them together. And then I put this little lipstick on my lips. I don't know what brand is this, but I love it. I think that is all, you guys. I just finished my makeup and it's time to do my hair and put on my clothes. From this to this. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. I hope you guys find this very helpful. If you guys want to try this makeup look, very easy and very simple and yet still very glamorous. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.